Have you ever pondered over the mysteries of life and the tantalizing possibility of creating it artificially? Life, as we know, is a marvel of nature, a complex interplay of biological, chemical, and physical processes. But what if we could replicate these processes in a lab? What if we could engineer synthetic organisms and even entire ecosystems? This is the fascinating world of artificial life, a groundbreaking field that's blurring the lines between the natural and the artificial. Join us as we delve into the riveting journey of artificial life, from its inception to the future. Artificial life research did not emerge overnight. It's a story of relentless curiosity and groundbreaking innovation. The journey began in the mid-20th century, when pioneers like John von Neumann began toying with the idea of self-replicating machines. Fast forward to the late 70s, we find the term artificial life coined by Christopher Langton, who envisioned life as a process that could be abstracted away from any particular physical medium. This field has always been a melting pot of disciplines. Biologists, computer scientists, chemists, and engineers all bring their unique perspectives to the table, weaving together a tapestry of knowledge that pushes the boundaries of what we understand life to be. It's this interdisciplinary synergy that led to the birth of synthetic biology, a subfield that uses engineering principles to design and construct new biological parts, systems, and devices. The creation of synthetic organisms has been a significant leap in this field. Imagine designing a living organism from scratch, tailoring its characteristics to serve specific purposes. This is the marvel of synthetic biology, a field where scientists don't just study life, they create it. They engineer bacteria, yeast, and other microorganisms using the building blocks of life itself, DNA. By manipulating the genetic codes of these organisms, scientists can imbue them with new traits and abilities. They can make bacteria that produce biofuels, yeast that can manufacture drugs, or even organisms that can detect toxins in our environment. To achieve this, they employ a variety of techniques, from CRISPR gene editing to whole genome synthesis. Each method serves a unique purpose, allowing scientists to edit, delete, or insert specific genes, creating life forms that nature itself could never produce. But the creation of life does not stop at single organisms. We're also building entire ecosystems. An ecosystem is a complex network of interactions, and recreating this artificially opens up a myriad of possibilities. Imagine a world where we engineer artificial ecosystems, where synthetic organisms engage and interact with each other and their environment in a dance of life that we've choreographed. We're not just talking about a one-off spectacle, but a full-blown, thriving ecosystem, as intricate and dynamic as any you'd find in nature. Research in this area is already underway, with scientists creating synthetic microbial communities, artificial food webs, and more. These artificial ecosystems are not just fascinating scientific endeavors, they have practical applications too. For instance, they could be used in bioremediation, using organisms to clean up pollutants, or in biofuel production, where engineered organisms could potentially produce sustainable energy sources. However, this exciting field of research also brings its share of challenges and ethical considerations. Just as we've learned to respect the balance of natural ecosystems, we must also tread carefully in our creation of artificial ones. As we tread into the realm of creating artificial life, we are faced with a multitude of questions and concerns. The ethical landscape is complex, provoking us to think about biosafety, environmental impacts, and the potential for unintended consequences. It's crucial that we adopt responsible research practices and robust regulatory frameworks. Looking ahead, the potential applications of artificial life are vast, from medical therapies and environmental monitoring to exploring distant planets. As we continue our journey into the realm of artificial life, we're not just creating new life forms, we're redefining our understanding of life itself.